Hey, this is Phonology Spot. Well, 4, I think, but the second one I'm filming. Yeah, it's a day. I'm feeling really weird. We just got some news about Conserve School closing, and we are going to be the last semester, which is a really weird thought. So I'm trying to process that while doing this, and it's kind of weird. I don't want to do this Phonology Spot entry, but we're doing it. There's just a lot of feelings, I think, right now. But I have to do this, so I'm going to try to focus. Today is Wednesday, March 4th. 2020. That looks so funny. Boo. I'm wearing socks on my hands because I had lost my running gloves, which is sucky. But this one had a hole in it already, so I just stuck my fingers through. Worked out pretty well. Okay, so we have to do day, time. What time is it? It is 10:40. I have an hour to do this. Probably only takes me 15 minutes. Maybe 20. 10:40 a.m. This is 4. Moon phase? I want to say, like 2 nights ago, it was at that full half. So, we are probably in the last quarter, which would be this side. Oh, I know you like to think you don't stay. Okay. Yeah. I feel like I forget how to do this every time I do it. Last quarter. Which is dumb. They say quarter, but it's really like, we still have halfway to go. So that doesn't make any sense. Oh, no, we don't. Yeah, we're on the last quarter. Moon phase. As of Monday night. My eyes kind of hurt. They're kind of dry, and I stayed up really late last night working on homework. Like, really late. I think it was like 1:30, 1:45. Yeah, it sucked. And it was, like, kind of my fault. I mean, I guess it was my fault all, like, together, but, like, I don't know. It was really hard to, like, it's hard to explain. Our teacher basically just said, initially said to me, don't, just get it done. Just meet the deadline. That's all I'm asking. And it's hard to hear that because I want to be proud of my work. And I've said this a few times, but I ended up staying up really late last night, compromising sleep for being proud of my work. And I don't know how to feel about it right now. I kind of want to just accept that. Like, I want to I want to be accomplished and like feeling like, yes, I like against the odds, against what was being asked of me, I was still proud of my work. And yes, I am proud of my work now, but I'm not feeling like that satisfied feeling, because even though I might be kind of proud of my work, I still had to sacrifice a lot of unnecessary energy and time in order to get there. And that's frustrating for me, because I want to be able to be proud of my work and like not cry over it, not like freak out and have like full-blown panic attacks over, I don't know. It was just kind of irritating. But and now there's this mentality, now that we've found out, like, oh yeah, we're the last semester for consider school. There's this mentality of like, some people, it's like almost a split even. Some people feel like we have to leave this lasting like legacy, I guess, but we're not leaving a legacy for anyone, so I don't know why we're doing that. But like this, I think it's probably for alumni, like trying to leave this like impact on like what this school was about. And I don't know how I feel about that. And then the other half of kids are like, like, this is stupid, we can just do whatever we want now, screw it, and that also hurts, because it's like, all right, so yeah, we're the last semester, but it doesn't mean that we're not a semester. Like we are part of this experience. There's just a lot of things. There's a lot of things going on right now, and there's a lot of things going on right now, and I'm having a hard time finding guidance in that. I wish I didn't have to write this. I wish I could just sit here and listen to the sounds. It's very nice up here. It's cold. I have to do this. Temperature. Ooh. Temp. I wish I'd brought a clipboard. How did I do this last week? Temp. Oh, forgot sunrise, sunset. Okay. Temp. I'd say high 20s. Maybe 30s. Maybe low 30s. Sunrise and sunset. Sunrise was probably, well, we're about to have solstice, so no, not solstice, time change, totally different thing. We're about to have time change. Monday, Sunday. Oh, there's a car. And family weekend is coming up. There's so much going on. Family weekend. Dad or mom or whoever watches this, but specifically y'all. I'm kind of glad, and I may say it's like sounds harsh, but I'm kind of glad that you guys aren't coming up only because it gives me a chance to experience like full independence and feeling like I'm in charge of myself, making my own decisions. And I've just like, there's a lot of things that have come from that already that I don't know how to accept maybe at home, or like feel comfortable with, I guess. I don't know. But there's just a lot of like feelings and things that I'm like figuring out. And I'm not saying I don't want to see you, but I'm saying that like there's a lot of kids here who are talking about family weekend and are excited, and there's a few kids who are also happy to see their families, but they don't want to, they're afraid that like their families are going to come and kind of helicopter parent, I guess, or just parent them, and that's not what they're needing right now. They've kind of moved on from that and are just looking for like people who love them, support them, and don't try to take over their lives. I don't know. Parent weekend, I'm kind of glad that you guys aren't coming. My parents aren't coming. I don't even know where, sunrise this morning, let's just say was 6:15 a.m. That's probably really early, but I don't know. Sunset, let's say 6:45 p.m. I think that's what it was last time too. I'm just gonna continue to say the same thing. What did I say before about sunrise though? This one says 6:30. This one says 6:30. I'm gonna say this one's 6:15. I don't know. Okay. So first, we must go over weather conditions. Weather. You know what? I won't make you watch me do this anymore. I just thought I would share some things and some activities that were going on, and yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Whoever watches this, if you're family or friends, call me or text me. Text me is better. Just shoot me a message and ask me questions or ask me what's going on. I would love to talk about it. Okay, bye.